Okay, you got your knife. Here's your chopping board. And here's your pot. Now, firstly, what we're going to chop is oh, you're going to chop the apple. Can we have a look at the apple first? Oh, let's have a look at the apple. So Marley's about to chop this golden apple. Here's your golden apple. You're going to chop it. Let's chop it. Put it on the chopping board. Get ready. You're going to chop it. Put the knife in. Chop the apple. Chop. Oh, it might need another chop. It hasn't quite. There we go. One apple in the pot. And the other half of the apple. Okay, next Marley's going to chop a cabbage. Let's put the cabbage on the chopping board. Here we go. Chop. Oh, that's oh, you put a lot of hard work into that. There we go. There's the other half of the cabbage. More. Next we're going to chop a strawberry. This one's a hard one. Let's see if Marley's up to the task. So we've got the strawberry on the chopping block. Get ready. Marley's got the knife. You've got faith. Oh, too easy, Marley. Very nice chopping. Straight in the pot. What have we got next, Marley? Corn. Here's some corn. You're going to chop your corn. Oh, you're going to eat the corn. Here we go. We'll chop it. Chop. Now put it in the pot. Cook the corn. You're going to put the lid on. You're going to give it a shake.